let's see. Let's go to some metals. Always good to look at gold when you're looking at yen. Daily chart. Broke above a very short-term trend line. And frankly, we are sitting right at support. So, you know, constructive gold here on a short-term basis, looking up towards the bigger channel line, which again is off that August 2020 high, excuse me, and then June high of this year. And just like we were talking about, remember with dollar Swiss, right? The center line action. Look what the center line here was support. Remember, we had that big flash crash in August. But if you look at it kind of on a closing basis, right, that was ended up also being, you know, we turned up from near there. Point being is you're looking for that to provide resistance because of the action around that center line. So that's kind of a magnet for me. Also, you've got highs up there, so it's a pretty obvious level anyway. So let's call that 1835 to 1850 or so. And frankly, you're sitting at support right now. All right, silver also sitting at support right now. You've got the channel from the high, bottomed on the channel. You can see that we've been trading on that center line here, right? If we can kind of meander sideways for a little bit, this might set up really nice for a big pop to the upside. And again, we'd be looking for eventual, you know, upside resumption, and the next big test, decision point, as I like to call it, going to be up here at that channel line. Let's call it, you know, mid 2635, 2640, something like that. All right, let's look at some other commodities. Copper is really important right here. So copper, right, kind of putting in a double top, if you want to call it that. I say it's a possible double top, I guess. Sold off really hard from the highs here. And we are coming into a level that if we are going to go higher, then we probably are going higher from right here, right? That's the top side of this former resistance line. So very well defined in terms of, you know, tagging 3 points and all that stuff. You can see even, you know, traded into it for a couple days before we broke out on October 13th. So 2 weeks ago exactly. And yeah, that's going to be, you know, about 433 or so. So pay close attention to copper.